Hello YouTube, it's Clay here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today of a new 1984 spec Floyd Rose tremolo system. Years ago on my Washburn Dimebag Darrell 333, Washburn, I had replaced the original stock licensed Floyd with a cheapie from Guitar Center. I think it's Pro Mark or Pro Line, whatever their house brand used to be. I think it was Pro Line. I replaced it with that, and it was noticeably cheaper components. I've had it now for years, but I'm just now getting around to, I'm going to try to do some proper fix-up on the guitar. I've already done some pickup swaps. I got the dime bucker in the bridge, and I put the Pearly Gates Billy Gibbons pickup in the neck, but that's not why we're here today. Today, I'm going to unbox this Floyd Rose tremolo system. I just took it out of the shipping container, but still got it right here in the box. So this is where we're at. We got original, authentic Floyd Rose tremolo system. Innovation, not imitation. So, of course, since I ordered a new trem, I'm going to have to take the guitar apart. I'm going to have to restring. So I got a couple extra sets of strings. So let's crack this baby open and see what we're looking at. Right away, you can see this is very well packaged. Everything is nice and secured. Got a lot of foam there. I've read one review where somebody said they got a used one and there were missing pieces and it was all scattered around the inside of the box. Well, this doesn't seem to be the case with mine. They said they had fingerprints all over it too. No, everything looks very good. So here we go. We got even more foam. Right. So like I said, everything's pretty secure in here. See the bars down there. We got a box of little things. Let's see what we got in here. And up the top, here are my springs. I flip to the back of the guitar with 2 screws. Then both Allen wrenches, one for the saddles and the other for the nut and locking screws in the back of the bridge. We've got 2 new post screws for in front of the bridge, and then what else we got here? With the headstock bar. I don't think that Dimebag Darrell guitar even has one on there, but it may after this. And then last we've got the R3 nut. The R3 is the one like for Les Paul scale neck. That's the same thing as that Dimebag Darrell guitar. And then, so this is the proper one. If you have like a Stratocaster, you're going to want the R2. But this one I ordered R3. That's cool. Even marks it on the back, says R3. Then we get to the bad boy. Well, that's got some weight to it. It really does. And so here we are. I don't know how well you can see that. There we go. Floyd Rose right there. I guess it's probably backwards on your thing. Yeah, my fingernails are dirty. I just got off work. Okay. And then we flip around back. There's a lot of that weight. That's because of this big heavy block on the back. It's supposed to give a lot more sustain. Floyd Rose. 37. I mean, that is a heavy piece. That is a heavy, heavy piece. And, boy, it looks sharp, too. There we come. Black tremolo arm, black nut. It came in chrome. You can get it with chrome, with the gold fine tuners, but, or I guess it's brass, probably, but, I wanted the look of a black one on that guitar. I thought it would look pretty slick. It came with chrome originally, but I think the black would look better on the dime slab. It's gonna be sick. I may end up posting another video or something like that, maybe during the install, because I'm going to be doing a bunch of things to the guitar, or maybe just afterwards, just kind of show the thing installed and the differences. So if you watch this, thank you, and have a good day.